Hey there, welcome back to Fast Lane Fortune A, where the classics shine and the engines speak louder than words. Today, oh man, today's something special. We're talking about the Ford F-100 big window. If you know, you know, and if you don't, buckle up, because this beauty is pure vintage gold. So, let's get into it. The big window, what a name, right? But it's not just a name. It's a vibe. Ford rolled this out in the mid-50s, and that big rear window wasn't just about style, it changed the whole feel of the cabin. More light, more visibility, and honestly, just a cooler look from every angle. You sit inside this thing, and it's like stepping back into an era where trucks were built tough, but had sold. Now, I gotta say, the design on this thing is chef's kiss. That boxy stance, the clean chrome details, the rounded fenders. It's got that American steel attitude, without trying too hard. And when it's restored right, it pops. Especially when it's sitting in a clean showroom or out in the sun. This truck doesn't whisper, it talks, and it's saying, yeah, I'm still cooler than your modern SUV. Under the hood? Well, that really depends on the build, but the ones that keep it period correct with that old school V8 rumble, man, they sound glorious. Not fast by today's standards, sure. But it's not about speed. It's about presence. This thing's got a heartbeat you can feel in your chest. And if someone drops a modern crate engine in it, let's just say, the big window becomes a big problem for anything next to it at a red light. Inside the cab, it's simple and no screens, no tech overload. Just raw materials, real switches, and that giant steering wheel that reminds you this truck means business. It's honest, it's mechanical, and it feels alive. I mean, come on. Who needs lane assist when you're cruising in something this badass? The Ford F-100 big window isn't just a truck. It's a rolling time capsule. A statement. A legend that never goes out of style. You don't just drive it, you feel it. Alright. That's gonna wrap it for today's ride. If you're feeling the vintage vibes, go ahead and hit that like button, drop a comment about your favorite classic, and hey, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more rolling your way, only here on Fast Lane Fortune. Catch you next time.